Okay, this video is about the 27 reasons you should buy a travel trailer versus a cargo trailer. If you're going to be living in it, full time. I mean, there's some exceptions where I can see you want to live in a van or a or a cargo trailer, because of, well, there's only really two reasons. You want to be stealthy, in the city, you're living on the side of the road, or you're just a weekend occasional, camper. But if you're going to be living full time, in your retirement or whatever, I'm going to come up with I came up with 27 reasons why you should buy a travel trailer. It could be a small little guy like that. That lights up. That's got all LEDs and stuff. I bought that for Christmas, so sometimes I light that up. Yeah. Anyway, I'm allowed 15 minutes, so I'm going to go through them really quick here. Okay, and one last thing. I've been camping for 60 years. I'm talking from some experience here. I bought my first travel trailer, or had my first travel trailer actually, when I was 18 years old. And I'm in my 60s now. So when I hear people talking, living out of a van, or converting a van to live in, or a cargo trailer, I mean, it's totally ridiculous. The stuff I'm seeing on eBay is just totally absurd. I did it for 2 years when I was a kid. I got my license, and by the time I was 18, I said, no more living in a van, and I had a travel trailer. Okay, so let me go through this real quick. Number one is, price. You're not going to save any money doing buying a van or a cargo trailer, because you're going to have to spend so much money converting it over so you can live in it. You're going to have to spend many weeks doing that. Where if you buy, say, a used travel trailer like I did, I bought a 22-foot travel trailer. It was about 14 years old, excellent condition. People took care of it, and I paid $4,500 for it. But you buy a cargo trailer, and you got to convert it, or a van, you're gonna spend a lot more than that. You get, in a travel trailer, you get 2 holding tanks. One's gray water, which holds your sink water, your shower water, and your black tank. You have a holding tank for your toilet water. You also get a 25-gallon freshwater tank with connected to a water pump, and that supplies your water to your. In this small little trailer, I got 2 sinks and the shower. Hot water is going there. You get a hot water heater. You don't get any of that in a conversion. You got the water pump supplying all your water and stuff. Okay, you have a bathroom. Okay, with a shower, nice hot shower, sink, and toilet. Okay, with running water to everything, hot and cold water. You don't get that in a conversion. Okay, you get the hot water heater I mentioned. Okay, they're insulated, the travel trailers. Your cargo trailer isn't, vans aren't. You have to put a lot of money and time into insulating them. And I'm talking, after you've done all this stuff, you're talking months. And if you're not handy, you're going to be spending a ton of money hiring people to do plumbing, do all kinds of stuff. Electrical. Okay, travel trailers, they're insulated. They're very warm. Usually at least an inch of styrofoam in the walls, and usually 3 to 4 inches of fiberglass in the ceilings. So they're already insulated. That's another thing you have to do if you go over to a van or a cargo trailer. The other thing is, even like my small trailer, 22 foot, that's 150 square feet. Your typical cargo trailer is only about 60 square feet. Um, you know, less than half the size of even a tiny trailer. So you're really cramped up. Okay. You know, you buy a used travel trailer, you just pay for it, you drive over with your vehicle, hitch it up, and tow it to your nearest campsite. It's done deal. You're not going to spend months on a rebuild. I mean, it's just it's all there. The travel trailers are designed to live. I mean, and you live full time. Okay. So they stay much warmer than cargo trailers, unless you spend a lot of money and spend a lot of time insulating. My RV only weighed 3,100 pounds. It's an ultralight. The superstructure was aluminum. The main A-frame is steel, heavy-duty steel. It only weighed 3,100 pounds, and it's a 22-foot travel trailer. So there's a lot of vehicles that can tow 3,100 pounds. I'm towing it with my Jeep. So anyway, also they come with a thermostat controlled propane furnace for your heat, so you can adjust your heating. That's all automatic, just like in a home. No dangerous portable heaters, on your floor, like you have to go, with in the vans and the cargo trailers. It's a nice safe furnace like you'd have in a home. Very little depreciation on travel trailers. Mine, I figured out, it only depreciates about $400 or $500 a year at most. Now motorhomes, no. You buy a brand new motorhome, you're going to be dealing with about $12,000 a year depreciation. You're basically $1,000 a month rental. But you buy a used RV, you're depreciating. Mine's depreciating at $42 a month. Not a big deal. And also the resale value is very good. They're very easy to sell. Okay, they're dependable. Travel trailers typically are using standardized equipment. It doesn't matter if it's a $125,000 travel trailer or $4,500 travel trailer like I have, because I've got all the bells and whistles of the expensive units. Okay, I only got like 7 minutes left here, so I got to get through quite a bit of things. Why you should buy a travel trailer versus getting into a conversion and all that headache. Okay, you got air conditioning. You can even run off a portable gas generator out in the boondocks like I'm at. Okay, you got all the wirings in place, both 120 volt AC wiring and outlets, as well as 12 volt DC wiring, and can be energized by either a shore hookup if you're in an RV park, or a portable generator. Circuit breakers, all the wiring is taken care of. Okay, you'd have to do an awful lot of wiring, and again, I'll hire an electrician if you're not handy with that stuff. It's going to cost you an arm and a leg to wire a van or cargo trailer. Okay, my RV, most come with the radio, CD player, speaker system. I also have a pop-up TV antenna on the roof. Okay, which can receive free TV channels. Sometimes, some areas I only get 10 free TV channels. In other areas I get up to 30 free TV channels with that pop-up antenna on top of the roof. That's all already installed on your typical travel trailer. 12 volt lighting, works off your batteries front to back. Mine has 9 double element lights from the front to the back. So all the lighting's in place. You have a refrigerator freezer unit mounted to the sidewall, so you don't have to buy one of those look like an ice chest. that lays on the floor and that takes up floor space. Your travel trailers, mine's got the Dometic, which is the best refrigerator there is. Mine's 16 years old, still works great. I haven't had any problems. I have all original equipment, and this is a 16-year-old trailer. Okay. Also, all the cabinetry is in place. In my small trailer, there's 6 wall cabinets and 2 closets already built in. So you don't have to hire a carpenter to do all that cabinetry work. Kitchen has a kitchenette, sink, hot cold water going to sink, countertop, and a 3-burner propane stove, as well as an electrical outlet. And food storage below that kitchenette. That's all been done. So again, these are all things, if you buy a van, most of these things you're not even going to be able to do in a small van. And a cargo trailer, I mean, you're going to be spending a ton of money. But okay, let me keep going on here. Okay, I have a large bed, 4.5 foot by 7.5 foot bed. So I don't know if that's a king size bed with 2 mattresses. I have 6 windows and 2 roof vents. Again, you're gonna, you don't get that with your cargo vans and stuff. Cable TV hookups if I'm in an RV park. 6.5 foot high ceilings inside. CO2 and propane detectors are already in place. That's just 27 things that you're not going to get in a cargo trailer rebuild or in a van, plain and simple. So, and you're going to spend just as much money, if not more, and have most of those things you're not even going to have, and you're going to spend just as much money as I did, which is $4,500 for mine, and everything's been dependable. All I replaced was 2 roof vents for $50. And I put new tires on, which you're going to do on any vehicle. And I did replace the electric brakes, but it wasn't that much. I did it myself for like $250. And then you go caulk. You caulk your roof. RVs do have tendencies to leak, so you want to go up there. I would say every couple months, check your caulking. Spend $5 on a tube of caulking. And anything you see cracking or whatever, scrape it out and put some caulking down. So I mean, it's very minimal. They're extremely dependable. Like I say, my trailer is 16 years old. It's beautiful inside. It's just it's very messy right now. I don't want to show you how messy it is. But anyway, I think people out there, some of them got brainwashed. Some YouTubers are putting out how great it is to spend 10 grand on a van rebuild or a cargo rebuild, and they still are pooping in a 5-gallon bucket, and they don't have sinks and shower and hot water and all that stuff. So anyway, I just thought, people, if you're gonna be living full time, you want a travel trailer. Like I say, I've been doing camping. Had my first travel trailer, 40 some years ago. And that's the way to go. I did the van thing for a year and it sucked. So anyway, I hope this video helped some of you out. That you didn't get brainwashed by some of those YouTubers saying how great it is to live in a cramped up van. Okay, this is Eagle Eric in the deserts of Southern California, signing out.